Hey there, Tall Man Clan. Welcome back. Today, we are on deck 14 of the Carnival Jubilee. This is a passenger cabin deck, and we're going to take you all the way through to show you where your cabins are in reference to all the stairs and the elevators, as well as the crew areas. Now, if you've never seen us do one of these videos, I cannot spin the camera around to show you every cabin number. If I did, you would get nauseous. So what I'm going to do is use my finger and point out the numbers and call them out. Okay, 289, 287. When you see your cabin, or 285, or hear me call it out, 283, leave a comment below and let us know when you're sailing. 281, crew door. 279, 277, 275, 271, 273, 269, 267, 63, 263's on the side, y'all. Sorry. 265, 261, 259, 257, 55, 53, 51, 249, 47, 45, 43, 41, 39, 37, 35, 33, crew door, 31, 29, 27, 25, 23, 21, 29, 219, sorry, 217, 215, 211, 209, 207, 05, 03, 01, crossing over to the other side, 202, 204, 06, 208, 210. They brought a Christmas tree with them. Isn't that nice? 212, 214, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28, crew door, 30, 32, 34. Okay, we have a bank of inside cabins right here. Normally you'd just be going straight, but we're gonna take a little detour and catch the inside cabins. 14236, 238 right there, 240, 242, 244, 246, and there you go. It sort of dumped us back out here. So we need to backtrack and get these cabins back here. Not sure if you can see all the way down there, but you can see where the Christmas tree is. We started at that corner. And here's where we took that detour, right here. Okay, so we'll start back up with 2, 3, 4, and then the cabin's gonna jump, right? 50, 48, 52, 54, 56, 58, 260, 262, 64, 66, 68, 70, 72, 74, 76, crew door, 78. Here's where we came out from the inside cabins. 280, 282, crew door, 284, 286, 288, 290, 292, and here we are on the other side of the forward elevator banks and stairs. Okay, 294, 296, 298, 300, scooter, 302, 304, 306, 308, 310, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28, 30, crew door, 32, 34, 36, 38, 40, 42, 44, 46, 48, 50, 52, 54, 56, 58, 60, 62, 64, 66, 68, 70, 72, 74, 76, 78, 80, 82, 84, 86, 88, 90, 92, 94, 96. Ironing room. Your deck has an ironing room. Crew door. 98, 400, crew door. 402, good morning. 404, 406, 408, 410, 412, midship. Elevators, the easiest way for you to know this, color of the carpet changes, right? All the carpet's normally this color. When you're at an elevator, they put this little red box, okay? 414, 416, 418, 20, 22, 24, 26, little jig jog, 28, 30, 432, 34, 36, 38, 40, 42, 444, 446, 48, crew door, 50, 52, 54, 56, crew door, 58, 60, 62, 64, 66, 68, your aft or furthest rear elevator banks and stairs right here. 468, 470, 72, 74, 76. Another entrance to the stairs and elevators. 78, 80, right there, okay? 82, 84, 86, 88, 90, 92, 94, 96, 98, 500, 502, Mr. 504, 506, 508, 510, crew door, crossing over, 512, crew doors, 531, crew door, 529, 27, 25, 23, 21, 519, 517, 15, 11, 9, 7, 5, 3, little jig jog, 501, 499. Hopefully you saw the color change. So we're on the other side of the aft elevator banks. 497, 95, 93, 91, 89. Color change so that you have a second entrance to the elevators and the stairs here in the aft. 87 again, 85, 83, 81, 79, 77, crew door, 75, 73, 71, 69, crew door, 67, 65, 63, 61, 65, 55, sorry. We're saying 6, sorry. It is 459, 457, 455, 453, 451, 449, 47, a little jig jog, crew door back there, 445, 43, 41, 39, 37, 35, 33, midship elevators and stairs right here, okay? 31, 29, 27, 25. God, I hate when they do that to me. They switch over. 25, 23. If you notice when I'm walking up, guys, and I apologize, I can't actually see the number until I'm past it. So 25, 23, 21, 419, 417, 15, 11, stuck in there. I almost missed that one. 09, 07. Okay, we have another one of these inside cabin areas. So let's go take a look at those. 4361, 359, 357, 355, 53, 51, 49, 47, and 45. Okay, so now we have to backtrack a bit to get to where we left off. All right. right. So backing up. By the way, I walk at a normal pace for someone my size. Again, I'm 6'4". When I'm calling out the numbers, I'm not running, I'm walking pretty steady. Again, there's your midship elevators right back there. You can see the red carpet, okay? So I want you to know we're not running to get through these. I'm walking at a normal pace, okay? 405, 03, 01, 399, 97, 95, 93, 91, 89, 87, 85, 83, 81, 79, 77, 75, 73, 71, 69, 67, 65, 63. And it threw me off because we went from 63 to 43. That is because those inside cabins.
Did you say 365?
Yeah, 365. Yep. Yeah, we went from 365 to 343. So, okay, here we go again. 41, 39, 37, 35, crew door. 333, 331, big crew area right there. 329, 327, 325, 23, 21 is back here. 19, 17, 15, 11, 9, 7, 5. Little jig jog here. 303, 301, 299, 297, 295, 293, 291, and guess what? We are right back where we started from. We have gone 360. Here we are, if you remember, this is right where we started, right here. So hopefully you saw your cabin. If you did, leave a comment below and let us know when you're sailing. And until we see you on the next ship or the next deck, be safe.